Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I am the mummy finger. Brinjal chutney is an excellent combo with idli and dosa. Please check the description below for the ingredients and recipe. In a pan, add little oil. When the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 chopped onion, add 1 teaspoon salt. Saute for some time till the onion turns golden brown. Add 2 chopped brinjals. Half a cup water. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. Stir in between if needed to avoid burning. When the brinjal turns soft, add 1 cup of grated coconut. Mix well and allow it to cook. Add 1 teaspoon salt. Remove from the stove and allow it to cool. In a mixer, add the cooled mixture, two green chilies, 2 cloves garlic, and marble-sized ball of tamarind. Grind into a coarse paste and transfer it to a bowl. Tasty brinjal chutney is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.